In case you are a budding lawyer, you have to think of technology. Today's age of information technology, the world is moving around the internet. Mind you, crime is also done through internet technology. The criminals commit crime on the electronic devices and vanish away. As a lawyer, you have to learn about technology. You have to do the proper courses which involve technology, like a course on cyber forensics, in which you have to study the crime, you have to analyze, you have to investigate, and create an evidence to put it before the honorable court. My suggestion to you is that my organization, MC&ME Techserve, is conducting a course on cyber forensics, for which we have a wonderful workshop in few days. Madam Shanta Devi Raman is a very senior advocate, Supreme Court. She will be conducting the workshop for you. Click on the link below, join us, and be successful in your career.